If you want to change your always-on display clock style on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. First of all, we have to open up our settings. Now scroll down to your wallpaper and style section. And here locates your lock screen. There it is. Tap here. Now keep in mind that your always-on display clock is basically the same one as it is on your lock screen. So here's our lock screen. Tap on the clock, press style. So here we can see different styles of clocks. Let's set up this one. Also, you can turn on so show weather information or not and show date above the clock. Now choose font and color, and once again you can change the font and the color. Also, you can change thin or thick if the desired font allows you to do that, right? I'll stick to this one. Now choose the desired color, or maybe you can set up a gradient if you want to. And press done at the top right corner where you are done. Now if we're gonna open up our lock screen and AUD section and check out our lock screen and AUD, as you see, the clock style has changed. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.